Okay. So now let's try to understand one of the examples for bank reconciliation items. So there is a company whose name is Riverside Company, and that is recording the cash balance of 18,200 as on March 31st. The March bank statement reported the following items: that there is a balance of 16,000. So there is a difference of 2,200 here. Along with that, there is a bank service charges of $25. There are some non-sufficient fund checks of 175,000, not 75,000, 175, and then the deposit in transit of 2,800 and outstanding checks of 800. We need to determine Riverside's March 31st adjusted cash balance. So for that, what we will do, we will start with the cash balance as per books, which is 18,200. Now there is a bank charge of $25. So what you will say, you will write here books, and here you will write as bank. And what they are saying, there is a bank charge of $25. So in bank you will be reducing it. Now what you need to do here so that both of them matches, so you will say I need to reduce $25 from books as well. So both of them are getting matched now, which you can see here. So you reduce this $25 from your books. After that, there are some non-sufficient fund of $175. So what you will do in non-sufficient funds cases as well, so you will be saying the bank, it has been reduced by $175. So in my books I will be reducing it by $175 as well. So that has been reduced from your books again. Now once you are done with that, what are the other items? One is the deposit in transit and another is outstanding checks. So once you are adjusted these items, there is no other items which is left compared to your bank. Only these two transactions were relating to the bank. This deposit in transit is like this, bank is not aware about it, this transaction has not happened in the bank. And there is an outstanding check, which is like you have given the check to the vendor, but vendor has not gone to the bank as of now. So bank is also not aware about it, bank is also not aware about it, but bank was aware about both of those transactions. So only the transactions pertaining to the bank we have adjusted them, and based on that we got the adjusted book balance of $18,000, which we can see here. Now we will be using the bank balance adjustments. So when we start with the bank balance, we need to write bank first, and then we will be writing our books here. So what is the balance in our bank? We can say bank was having the balance of 16,000. So it's starting with 16,000 here. Now there is a deposit in transit of 2,800, which is like you know that you have increased your books of accounts by 2,800, but that has not reached to your bank. So what you will be doing, you will be writing 2,800 plus here, so that these both of them get a total number of 2,800 and both of them get matched. So you will be adding this 2,800 here. Now once you do that, there is a next item which is I can say outstanding checks of $800, which is like you know that from your books you have reduced these payments because you have given these to the vendors, but they have not gone to the bank as of now. So what you will be saying, you need to reduce it from the bank as well. So both of these numbers matches with each other, and once you do that, you need to reduce this 800 from here as well. Once you do that, you get the adjusted bank balance of $18,000, which is matching with your adjusted book balance, and this is the number which needs to be shown into our books of accounts. Now we can say that your adjusted book balance and adjusted bank balance equals to 18,000, and this will be shown under cash and cash equivalents in your books of accounts.